In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Zoho CRM. Whether you're new to CRM or looking to optimize your business processes, this guide will walk you through an up-to-date method for 2025. Let's get started. First, log into Zoho CRM and navigate to the home page. You should see a familiar dashboard filled with your recent activities and statistics. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. Once you're at the home page, look towards your options available on this main screen. To get started, you'll need to click on the option button, usually represented by a gear or a menu icon. This button will lead you to the setup section. Upon finding the setup section, click on it. You'll enter a space where you can customize different features in Zoho CRM, which is vital for molding the application to fit your unique business needs. Here, go to the customization area. The customization section is crucial as it allows you to tailor the CRM according to the specific workflows of your business, ensuring efficiency and effectiveness in your daily operations. Within customization, you'll need to click on modules and fields. Modules capture different sets of information valuable to your business, like leads, accounts, or contacts, whereas fields represent the individual data points within those modules. Having an understanding of these concepts helps streamline what we're about to do now. To create a new list, you'll need to click on Create New Module. This process involves adding a new module that relates to the information you want to organize. Once you click, you need to select what type of module you want to create. Consider what data is essential for your business. Is it customer feedback, new leads? Choose accordingly, as the right module type helps keep your team focused and organized. After selecting the module type, proceed by clicking on Next. At this stage, you'll be prompted to type in your module name. Make sure it's something clear and reflective of the contents it'll hold. This step helps everyone in your organization understand exactly what data they're working with without any confusion. The next part is all about personalization. You get to select and drag categories to your page lists. This customization allows you to display only those elements important to your business operations up front, ensuring you're focused on critical information. Finally, wrap it up by clicking Save. This confirms your configurations